Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, and in this video we will see detailed information about internet services of my experience, especially in Denmark, Copenhagen. If you are living in Denmark, so in this video I'll provide you internet services advantage and disadvantage, which company are providing you good internet services and which company are providing you bad internet services. Today I discuss with you two internet services. First of all, Fastspeed. So Fastspeed, first of all, in this starting of this year and last October, November, December and January, February, March. So I am using 6 months this particular provider internet services. That time I am receiving outstanding internet fast speed services. So and then after I went couple of months in India, and then that point of view I stopped this internet services and I come back again here in Copenhagen, and I am watching some of the videos and newspapers and some other advertisement, and some of the person are suggest me to I can use YouSee internet services. And literally of my experience about this YouSee internet services, if you are playing smallest video in mobile or laptop or computer, desktop, television, so literally buffering is going on, and the buffering time like 30 to 40 second buffering is going on. Even I put it here some of the videos so you can check, telling you genuine or not. Even look at this here, my television buffering is going on. I just simply watch the television of related on India and this internet speed, and I am paying every month 250 krona. And look at this here, last 15 seconds to till now video is not playing. Half minute is completed, still video is not playing. Look at this here, I want to watch news from comes in India and some buffering is going on, and that one is really bullshit services YouSee are providing internet. Look at this, 1 to 70 seconds and buffering is going on, nothing play anything. So please, if you watching my video, so please circulate and share your experience for the other Danish people or new citizen comes in Denmark. So definitely they are not irritating. Even 1 minute is completed and the buffering is going on. Look at this here, just application only 10 MB and the application not so fast downloaded. It's very rubbish internet services YouSee are providing in Denmark. Look at this here, internet. Just I open one of the page here, I click here, and this is like the buffering, and we are living in 20th century, especially in Denmark, and such kind of company are. So those results I am receiving, and totally I am stuck. Even I'm working here, work from home, so I'm not able to open some website pages also, even Google pages. If I open Google pages, so buffering is going on like a 10 to 20 second or 20 to 1 minute. Automatically, if I click somewhere, so automatically some of the advertisers are coming and showing the selling the product, advertise, and some other videos are automatically producing. I am feeling this experience about this internet services. At the end, finally this month I changed my internet services, and again I joined Fastspeed internet service. And then I'm feeling, oh, now I'm living in Denmark and Copenhagen because of the internet speed is very fast. And last 3 months I'm considering I'm living in like a village town side, but this is a capital, and capital side such kind of companies are providing you. This is a slow internet speed, so this is not make sense to use or subscribe such kind of internet facility or providers in Denmark, Copenhagen. If you are choosing the Fastspeed internet services, so definitely you are happy and enjoy your work, watching YouTube video, watching movies, Netflix, Amazon Prime. You are not receiving any kind of buffering. So we can see as a price point of view, this internet provider also paying 249 Danish krona. This internet provider also taking 249 Danish krona. Prices also same, but speed is like, if I rate like a 1 to 5 or 1 to 10, so I'm providing here -10 and I'm give it to this particular internet services like a 9.5. so this is a differentiation about the two internet services located on Copenhagen, especially Denmark. If you are living in Denmark, so as a my review, my experience point of view, you select as a Fastspeed internet services. One more thing, Fastspeed are not sponsoring me this video. I'm making this video because of last 3 months I so many irritation are going on. Even sometimes I am recharge my Libra mobile and then I am using internet of my work point of view. If you are selecting internet YouSee, so as a my point of view, don't buy this and don't subscribe YouSee internet facilities. You go with Fastspeed and enjoy your work. So this is my genuine review of this internet facilities in Denmark, Copenhagen. If you really like this video, so please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and hit the bell icon. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.